Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Native Hair TV. Now, this morning, about 7:30, my husband went to work. The kids and I, we are here. Justin, what's wrong? Go wipe your nose. The kids and I, we are here. Um, yeah, we're here today. It's Tuesday, if I haven't said that as yet. Yeah. So guys, this morning it rained this morning. It it rained for about 5 minutes, and then the sun came out as if it didn't even rain. I am not 100%, neither my kids, because we went to Manchester over last weekend, and when we were on our way home, uh, the kids fell asleep coming out of the car. We had an umbrella, but the rain breeze and a couple raindrops catch Justin, and Justin contract a draft or yeah, and then when we reach home, he was sick. Then Jessica catch whatever Justin had, and I catch whatever they had. The only person that is not sick is my husband. So my hair feels really good today because Sunday my husband gave it a good wash. Good job, honey. Yeah, he gave it a good wash. As you can see, I didn't curl it as yet. I'm gonna curl it um, probably later or something. I'm not sure. But I put some, because if you see the end, guys, some part of my ear end they're breaking, like here. So someone recommended that I use castor oil, you know, in it. So I got some castor oil from my sister when I went to Manchester, and I am now using it. So yeah, it's growing back, guys. I remember I cut it this short a couple months ago. So you see how many growth I got, guys. It's growing. Okay, so what I am here to talk about today, guys, is two things that is really bothering me. One, stop leaving your kids at home going to dance. Like, seriously? I heard the news the other day. This lady, because to me she's not a mother. I'm sorry, she's just not a mother to me. She left her kids, right? I got the news. A 3-year-old and another little one. I'm not sure of the other one's age, but that one was also young. So she left these two children in the house by themselves with no adult supervision and gone to dance. Now, this man, unscrupulous whatever, came into the house, took the child, the 3-year-old, poor little girl, rape her, and then kill her. No, seriously? Seriously? Look, compare a 3-year-old to a big man. I mean, that could be my child. My son is 3, guys, 3 years old. He's a baby. Could people be so heartless? Could people be really so heartless to take a 3-year-old and rape a 3-year-old? What does a 3-year-old have for any big man? For anybody at all? She's a child. She's 3 years old. No, The man is, I don't even know what to call that man, because to me he's not a man. But enough said on him. The mother, come on, mothers, come on. You're gonna leave your child in the house with another child and go to dance? What is more important, your child or the dance? Obviously it's the dance, because if you were at home taking care of your pitney, then that child will be alive now. You understand? I am so pissed, guys. When I hear news like these, I am so upset, because I have children, and those mothers out there who have children, I know you guys will be pissed when you hear this. Take care of your children. Stay at home with no pitney. Stop leaving them and go to dance, because that can't help nobody. Stop leaving them and go to dance. Stop leaving them and go to friends' house by themselves. You know why me and my husband don't love watching the news? Not only the violence that is on the news, but countless of times you watch news and you hear of children going missing. You don't know where they're going, you don't know what happened to them, but they're just missing. And the age group is just ridiculous. Right? What's wrong, Justin? Not that hard, Jessica. Don't knock his butt that hard. Good girl. Yes, sorry guys. So the age group is totally ridiculous, right? Now, sometimes you watch the news and you hear parents, mothers leaving their children in the house with probably say a 2-year-old with a 6-year-old. These people are dumb or what? Gone to dance or gone to shop or wherever, and then the child burned down the house and the 2 children dead. Seriously? I mean, we mothers don't have any sense. Kids are prone to danger, as I would say. If I leave Justin in the room and not watch him for probably a minute or so, Justin is going to trouble something that he's not supposed to trouble. Because that's just kids. They love danger. I always say kids love danger, because they don't know what is danger. They don't know the difference. So they're going to always, get themselves into trouble. They're going to always trouble stuff that they're not supposed to trouble. They're going to always put stuff in their mouth that they're not supposed to put in their mouth, because they're kids. They're 3-year-old. They're 4-year-old and 5 and whatever. They're still kids. You understand? So if we mothers don't look out for our kids, then we have a problem. It would be best if you know that you're not going to be able to take care of your child, don't have a child. If you know you want to go to party or dance or whatever the occasion may be, then don't have a child. Go party. Go do whatever you want to do. But don't bring these innocent children into this world and then their life is snapped from them because of your carelessness. You have that on your head. Mothers, you have that on your head. Take care of your children. That is one thing I want to talk about, guys. The next thing is duck ants. Yeah, duck ants. Duck ants in my life. Oh my goodness, I said that. Yeah, duck ants is in my life, guys. I don't know if you guys have a duck ants problem, but I have duck ants problem. So my husband and I, we are doing our little garden where we plant like I don't want to say it's a farm because because it's not big, it's something small. Yeah, so we plant at the front of the yard, at the side. I'm gonna show you guys. So where we plant like canes and scallions and thyme. The thyme didn't catch. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of probably it's because of the heat, or we don't have the type of dirt or something for the thyme to grow. We planted tomatoes and all that. And
excuse me, mommy.
yeah,
I want to have a bath.
You want to have a bath?
Yes, because I'm itchy.
You're itchy because you were playing. Say hi to the guys.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, so we planted all of those things, and Ew, go wipe your nose and come back. Yeah, we planted all of those things, guys, and Duckans now is eating down my sugar cane. Not my sugar cane, I should say. My husband's sugar cane, because I don't really like sugar cane. But my husband, he loves, cane. So yeah, it's bad because it's his first time we're actually planting these things, and now the duckans eating it down is just really bad. Let me help you.
I don't want to blow it.
I know. I just want to wipe it. Are you feeling better? Sorry, guys. Are you feeling better?
Yes.
Okay. Come, tell the guys what's wrong with you.
I'm sick.
What makes you sick?
When I was going to...
You're coming from Anticola.
Coming from Uncle Cola, and then I was learning to Uncle Nick the different house. Because we was going to Grandma, and Grandma came. We didn't take long. So we just stayed there for Grandma came, then I wake up, I saw Grandpa. And then when I go alone, I saw Grandma. It was Mommy's family. And then we have a grandma. Mommy, Daddy have a grandma, so because
I have a mother.
Mother.
She's your grandmother.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I think so. Daniel have a grandma.
No, we're going too far from the story. So, did you enjoy yourself in Manchester?
No.
Why not?
Cause it was raining.
But it wasn't. It was raining in Manchester. It was raining when we were coming back from Manchester. Oh yeah, it rained in Manchester. One day.
Yes.
You think it was a Sunday?
No.
Yeah, it was a Sunday. It rained a Sunday, guys. But it didn't rain for long in Manchester. I enjoyed.
And then I get wet when the umbrella was over me.
Yeah, but it wasn't bad. You didn't get bad wet or anything like that.
But
It's
I'm
a-
still sick.
Yeah, it makes you sick, and it also makes Justin sick. Yeah. So guys,
Are you feeling better?
no, I'm not feeling better. You remember my pants are still swollen, and yeah, when it's hurting, it's really hurting.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take you on the outside and show you what I'm talking about, the duckans. Ready to go on the outside? Let's go. So here we are on the outside. Come here, Justin. Come and say hi.
Hi.
Come. Come.
Mommy, I told you to water
Say
the
hi.
plant.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the guys.
Hi, guys.
What are you doing?
We are going to down here.
So guys, here we are. Yes, Jessica?
Look at that plant over here.
So here we are on the outside. So right here we have a planting tree that my husband planted. Don't show me, Jessica.
So let's see.
It's a small tree. It's growing. Come, Justin, get away from there.
Whoa, a
Right here,
small
I'm
tree?
not sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's a tomato tree. I'm not sure because I know I planted a tomato tree someplace here. I have to ask my husband what that is. And over here we have the banana tree, right?
Yes, that's the banana tree.
And
Yummy.
it's growing. It was so small, but now it's growing.
Big.
And over here we have some canes.
And it broke.
Yeah, because the sugar ants eating the canes.
Yes.
And here, some skeleton. Guys, you're mashing up the skeleton because you keep running in this thing. We need to get away from here.
No, we didn't run on it.
Also, this summer, with because this time is so dry, it helps to damage these skeletons. There's a whole lot of skeleton out here. It's just going down like that.
What?
Now over here we have where the sugar ant, the duck ants, is eating down the canes, guys. Oh my goodness! Look at that. Look. You see what I'm talking about, guys?
Duck hunt.
That's what the duck ants are doing. And if you could look at this root down here, you will see here where they're doing the same thing. So these canes is just for duck ants. Now we plant them and we can't get anything out of it because duck ants is eating it out. So you see, guys, wow, windy.
Mom, it's so windy. I love wind.
Mhm. So there you have it, guys. Duckins in my life, eating out our sugar cane. Where are you going? The guys don't want to see down there.